In this first hands-on challenge, you'll build two spaCy processing pipelines, one that uses a simple sentence as text and the other that uses a sentiments file. You'll use a Colab Jupyter notebook and many cells are pre-coded for you. First, you'll import the following resources: pandas and spaCy. You'll then install spaCy and download and load the English model for spaCy. You will then build a simple processing pipeline where you will be given one example text. You'll then build a processing pipeline by writing code to tokenize the sentence, remove stop words, perform POS tagging, dependency parsing, lemmatization, and named entity recognition. In exercise 3, you do something similar to exercise 2, but this time rather than using one sentence as text, you use a sentiments file. You'll then build a processing pipeline by writing code to tokenize the sentence, remove stop words, perform POS tagging, dependency parsing, lemmatization, and named entity recognition.